Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today I am going to say that whether do I like police in my country or not. Actually, in one part of my life, like till now, in one age, actually I wanted to become a police. Like we get a good respect and fame, not only for fame, we can save to the society, right? So we need to be a sincere police officer if we become that. Like we should not involve in corruptions. Like many things happen in this society. Like some of them know what is happening and some of them even don't know about that. So we have to know and we have to do something good. Like actually I love police in my country because they did a very job when it was necessary to that country. Like if there is if like there are some bad cases and there will be some cases, right? So at that time when it was serious, the police will react correctly. So there at that time no corruptions will be, right? And like the polices are now some are even like they are as usual, like normal psychologists see like corruptions and like loans, etc. Actually that was not good. But we have to try. If we thought that I have to do good to my country or I have to like save my country, then we can do anything. Like the police example only. So if he thought that, if he thinks that I need to do a sincere job, I could save the country. Like for girls, some rape cases, at that time police have to react wildly because that's necessary. And in India there are more cases about girls. In some, like for India, for example, 100%, mostly 60% are corrupted. Like they'll take loans or like corruptions, like from big posts, like for example prime minister, CMs, etc. But actually that was not good. Like we have to think that I have to do good to my country, so that like we can do anything at that time. So I believes only that polices obviously will change in the future, like without corruptions and like doing with a kind and humanity. They should be like strictly when it is necessary, and they should be soft when in according to the conditions, right? So mostly there is a name that Indian polices are not good as the other countries. So our country is in the least position. Like nothing is good in this country. Like everything is corrupted and no one can believe anyone, right? So like these type of things are happening. Hope like now I'm not having the aim to become a police, like, but even now I love the polices in my country because they do a good job when necessary. That's it. Thank you.